Come get Mama.
Taking a break? Yes.
Yep, that's the light.
The vent.
Come here. Come to Mama.
Come on.
Go.
He's got the chest strap on.
Okay.
Go, go. Go, little buddy.
Wow. Push. Oh, good job.
Little feet kicking. Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Go. Oh, look at that baby go.
Wow.
Yay.
Y'all know.
It was probably about like
Come on.
Walk?
Walk to Mama and Dada.
What's that? Is that you want that
Oh,
chair?
you want that chair.
This is a fun place, huh?
He says chair. He just said chair in some
Go.
language. You gonna push?
Go, Cameron.
Wow.
Use your legs. Yeah. Good job. Miss Kelly would like this.